sisters to performing this wonderful welcome skit. Good morning everyone, a very warm welcome to all. I am Srijana and I am absolutely delighted to be your host for today. The atmosphere is electric today and I am thrilled to welcome you all to Mahan's Energy Day. A very warm and cheerful morning to our respected President Sir, Principal Ma'am, teachers and my dear friends. With the blessings of God and the guidance of our teachers, let's begin our Mahan's Energy Day. I am proud to welcome you all to Mahan's Energy Day.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಶುಭ ಮುಂಜಾನೆ. ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಅರ್ಪಿತಾ. ದೇವರ ಆಶೀರ್ವಾದದಿಂದ ಹಾಗೂ ನನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಶಾಲಾ ಮುಖ್ಯಸ್ಥರ ಹಾಗೂ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರ ಮಾರ್ಗದರ್ಶನದಿಂದ ನಮ್ಮ ಈ ಮಹಾನ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಡೇಯನ್ನು ಪ್ರಾರಂಭ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಮಿಸಿರುವ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು ಹಾಗೂ ಸ್ವಾಗತ ಸುಸ್ವಾಗತ.
It's a privilege to welcome our esteemed chief guest on the stage. Let's welcome all the chief guests on the stage, please. Shri Jogoda Narayanappa sir, President sir of our school, Shri Netraj Guruvinmat sir, Principal ma'am, Srimati Savita Guruvinmat ma'am, President sir, Shri Netraj Guruvinmat sir, Dharmadarshigalo of Sharda Mandapa, Shri Narayan Rao, Secretary madam, Srimati Dodda Basamma on stage, please.
ಈಗ ವೇದಿಕೆಯ ಮೇಲೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಗಣ್ಯಮಾನರು ಆಗಮಿಸಬೇಕಾಗಿ ತಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ.